E55 stuff. Monica is here doing her heat exchanger. Let me turn this off. Finally, she's doing her heat exchanger. And guess what heat exchanger she got? The PLM XL heat exchanger. This bad boy is gonna be fantastic. It holds about 2.25 fluid ounces of fluid, and it's got so many fins that this thing is gonna take forever before it heat soaks. So, oh, here she comes. She's already got the bumper off, and I guess she's about to take the stock heat exchanger off. Look, she's running over here. I was telling them what you're doing. Huh?
I'm making a video about my car.
Yeah.
I'm not even making a video, so.
Yeah, I figured I'll make a video because they like watching E55 stuff.
Yeah, guys, I took the whole bumper off already.
Yep.
And then I disconnected the hoses, and that's as far as I got.
Yep, I was telling them you already got it off. And you got the PLM XL heat exchanger sitting over there.
Yes.
Which is beautiful. And honestly, I am pretty impressed with this because it's pretty light.
It is pretty light.
Yeah, really light.
It's like really thick in here, lots of flow.
Yeah, I was telling them it holds 2.25 liters of fluid. And the fins are also a ton of fins. So that would barely heat soak.
Yeah.
And what, this car has a smaller pulley? You guys, it has an 82 millimeter pulley.
Maybe I should go 76.
You can go 76. Honestly, 82 is crazy already. But yeah, you can run an 82 and still be in stock heat exchanger and stock pump, and you should be fine. But actually,
stock pump was a little like it would get hot.
Yeah, you're right.
It would get really hot.
It would get hot.
Since we upgraded the pump, it's like 20-ish, 25 degrees above ambient. So
yeah,
not
and
terrible.
yeah, and with this new heat exchanger, you're gonna be probably like 10 degrees above ambient.
Yeah.
If anything, maybe 8 degrees above ambient.
Yeah.
So this PLM heat exchanger, the nice thing about it, it's got 2 holes here for bolts. Check it out. These bolts right here holding the crash bar, there are bolts underneath of it, which looks like that. And obviously it's got the male that would go into this hole. So pretty much you just stick it on there, tighten the bolts, and boom, heat exchanger is on the car.
And it also comes with oil cooler mounts.
That is right.
I think they're over there.
Yeah, check it out. So underneath of it, you can mount your oil cooler. It comes with all the kits, which is amazing. PLM, if you're watching this, I need it for that car. Look at that. So beautiful. This was such a simple install. Now, like, if you see this car from a distance, you can tell, okay, yeah, don't mess with this car. Because I like how you can see the heat exchangers from afar.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Like, you're gonna look at your car now and you're gonna say, oh, shoot. Like, I can actually see my heat exchanger. All right. Test drive. The temperature outside. That's a check.
89.
89, so we'll just say 90 degrees. And we'll do normal driving. We'll do some pulls.
Yeah.
Right now it's only 5 degrees above ambient temps. Yeah. Right there, it says 95. Yeah. I'm curious to see your IATs versus mine. Mm-hmm. Because the reason is because my heat exchanger, because the 32 has a frozen boost, I wanted to try it out on the E55 and then have the PLM XL heat exchanger. Look at that. 93 IATs.
Granted, I'm only going like 20 miles.
Yeah. Yeah, I just want to test it out and see what the IATs are, in case you guys are wondering. I know you guys are definitely not going to buy a frozen boost heat exchanger. Don't buy it. I mean, it's really good, but I'll just go PLM. The reason is because the install is pretty much OEM and yeah, easier install. We're gonna do a mini pull here, see where it gets up to. we'll do another pool.
Okay, got up to 114.
114, yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, it's recovering. It's already at 109.
109, yeah. And it's 91 outside.
Yeah.
So
107. So it's a lot better than mine because she has a smaller pulley.
yes.
So hers would probably be the same as what mine does with the stock pulley, pretty much. I want to say. So that's like, well, it's time to go down smaller pulley because now temperatures are acting like you have a stock pulley. That's pretty much to sum it up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kick down pull here.
Oh, wait a second, because those cars just went.
It's at 105 right now. We'll see how hot it gets in the recovery.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
158.
Oh wow.
I smoked the tires.
Oh yeah, I see it. You probably left 11s. Okay, so it shot up to 158 and it's right now at 127. What?
That's a
Dude, we did it in time.
That's funny. Okay, so it was at 158 and now it's back to 120 already.
Yeah, 120.
So it recovered really
You guys
quickly.
want to see? They're probably like, you guys are making up numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah, 120.
118,
Right now, yeah. So right
So
now,
now I'm just cruising.
yeah, that's cooling down. Because the more and more pulls you do, the more and more the water gets hotter and hotter.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it takes some time to cool. 116. Okay, so it got up to 158. Dang.
Yeah. That was when I, like, right after I let off was 158.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, we need a secondary heat exchanger.
But you guys can see, like, on the stock, or not the stock pulley, but the smaller pulley with the stock pump and the stock heat exchanger, how quickly these cars will heat soak, because
Yeah.
that was one pull
Yeah.
with the upgraded pump and the upgraded heat exchanger, and it was already 150.
158. I don't know how you guys do with the 76 millimeter pulleys, but that's why, you know, I've heard like my setup, my car with that setup, I've heard it beats cars with 76 millimeter pulleys because it heat soaks pretty fast.
Mm-hmm.
And so like mine just keeps going and it just eventually passes it, but I feel like it would take a lot before my car would pass. But I've never witnessed it before, but people have told me that like my setup versus a 76, it beats it because of heat soak.
We've raced before we each had upgraded cooling, and if we kept running it, you eventually started to like
Oh really?
be even.
You noticed that?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I guess I forgot.
This is back down to 109 now,
Oh nice.
so
Very nice.
get ready to go again.
Pretty much, yeah, it's ready to go again.
Yeah. It's not gonna get much cooler than that when it's 90 degrees outside.
Yeah. With my setup, with my heat exchanger, full throttle, the most I saw was like 125.
But how hot was it when you tested?
It was hot. We're going to gas Atlanta. Oh, we're going to, yeah. It was hot that day. And then they gave me an ESP.
Oh.
The transmission, I was like, dude, I can't shift fast enough.
I'll race you for pink slips.
Really?
Both your cars.
Both?
Guys, I'll have 3 cars.
Alright, Josh. I need that E85 too.